Hello guys, welcome back again. And now let me show you the way how to make a reflection onto your design. Sorry, how to add a reflection onto your design, an easy way using Canva apps. Okay, so now open your Canva and then, for example, let's add a photo. And I will try to add, I think I will use a shoes picture. Sorry. Okay. And now you need to add the picture or the design that you already have onto your project like this. And after that, click the apps and then type easy reflection. Wait for a moment. Easy reflection like this, and then click search. Open the apps like this. Wait for a moment, and then you need to click the design that you adding before. Make sure that you are adding the PNG type or JPG type file. Then create reflection, and now you can see you already have a reflection from your design. And for opacity, we need to decrease it on to 50, and for the offset, increase it to 100 like that. Then click add to the design, and after you adding it to the design, adjust the size of it and make sure that it has a same size and on the same position as the first image like this. Okay, and after that, click the transparency and decrease the transparency on to 50 like this, so you can see. Now if you want to adding a text onto this design, just open a new page and then add a text. For example, I will type to Nike, then change the font of it, and I will try to adding this one and change the size like this. And after that, I will change the color of the text. I think I will change it on to maroon, this one. And after that, save the text design, downloading it. Don't forget to check the box transparent background, this one, and click download. And after that, back to the previous page, and then open your gallery, and then add the image that you are saved before. This one, add it to the page like this. And first let me adjust the frame. Like this. After you adding it, then open the apps one more time, the easy reflection. Click it and then click the design, this one, and then go back, create reflection, as you can see. Then add to the design one more time, as same as the previous design that we add. Now you need to adjust the size and the position of the reflection. Okay, after that, do this, make sure that it's close enough like the previous design. Now click the reflection and decrease the transparency onto 50, this. Then change the background color. For example, I will adding this color. And if your picture has a background like this, you can click the Magic Studio and then click the BG remover, and do the same with the reflection. Then click the BG remover one more time. Yeah, and just like that. Now your design have a reflection effect onto it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.